How potato chips are made. First, the potatoes are washed. The potatoes are peeled with the help of high-pressure water. Then, the potatoes are blanched and sent to be sliced. Then, the potatoes are individually sliced as they rotate in a cylindrical cutter. Then, the potatoes are pressed together to form a uniform mass, which is then whipped to achieve the desired consistency. Then, the potatoes are pressed between cylinders to create a smooth, flat base. Then, the potatoes are sliced, fried, and finished to their final form. Thanks for watching.